Hi, I'm Dr. Chris Theagaraja. I'm an oculoplastic surgeon here at Park Avenue Oculoplastic Surgeons in Denver, Colorado. Today I'm here to talk about what are the most important criteria to consider when you're choosing a surgeon to perform your blepharoplasty. How do I pick a blepharoplasty surgeon? There are three things that I think are of ultimate importance when choosing a blepharoplasty surgeon. First is training. So any surgeon that has extensive training in blepharoplasty will be very familiar with the anatomy, have seen thousands of procedures on the eyelid involving blepharoplasty. They've already dealt with all the complications that one can have from a blepharoplasty and therefore know how to quickly treat it if they catch one of those. As an oculoplastic surgeon, we perform thousands of procedures on the eyelid during our fellowships. As a result, we have unique training for blepharoplasty. Second, more important than training is experience. So after we're done with training, how many surgeries have you actually done on the eyelid or blepharoplasties? So somebody who has had more experience or more surgeries performed is generally going to be better at performing that procedure than somebody who's had very little experience. This is an important question to ask. I recommend to patients, to whoever they see, to really say, how many of these surgeries have you done last month? How many have you done this week? The final thing that's extremely important that most people often don't talk about is connection between the patient and surgeon. You should have your surgery with somebody you feel comfortable with. Why is this important? When you feel more comfortable with your surgeon, you're more likely to be able to properly communicate your expectations from the surgery before the surgery has happened. Additionally, during the surgery, you're going to feel more comfortable. Finally, after the surgery, if there's a problem, you're going to feel more comfortable and at ease in discussing any problem or complication with your surgeon. As a result, this is going to give you a better outcome. If you're feeling uncomfortable with the surgeon, you may be less likely to tell them about something small that's bothering you or a problem that's arising. As a result, a minor complication can become a bigger one. Connection is one of the most underrated components when patients are trying to seek their eyelid surgeon. However, I think it's one of the most important. I'm Dr. Chris Theagaraja. I hope this has been helpful. Thanks so much.